Hello everybody, I'm back and ready to make some new content for this channel. So you can see I've got a new location. I've got freaking windows now. My wife and I just purchased our first house and it just happened to be during recession. I knew it was coming, but you know, you roll with the punches, move on with life. So trading has been pretty tricky over the last couple months since my last update. Manual trading has been a struggle, but my algorithms, as you can see right here, have been just really kicking ass. Like, during this recession, they're prepared for it. You know, they're prepared for this kind of crazy, chaotic movement, and so far they've been performing well. Manual trading by itself, without the public watching, is difficult to be consistent at. But when you're doing it with 10,000 plus people watching, that's when it really gets tricky. So I'm going to be talking about that kind of struggle in this video today. Hopefully it's educational and fun for you guys. Let's get into it. So my algorithmic accounts are doing really well, and some of them are live, some of them are demo, but they're able to really navigate this recession market, which is pretty awesome. Really smooth trades, been really low drawdown as well. So the powerhouse on this account, Trader's Way, you can see has been really consistent, 74% profit. 7.71% profit here, running Powerhouse and Sharpshooter together on the same account. This averages an estimated around 6 to 8% every single month, and it's completely passive, really awesome. This is running various strategies, algorithmic strategies on the same account. This is the family account at Oanda, has $7,000 profit. The Powerhouse running since 2021, and the Sharpshooter, the Vigorous, this has also been running for 2 years now. So really consistent, 6,000 trades, almost 6,000 trades on this account. Trades every single day, the Vigorous, one of my favorite algorithms, and it's one of my community's favorite algorithms as well. The Ranger running here for a long time. This account's been going since 2020. Ranger here again, and the Comeback Kid. So these are my algorithmic accounts. As you can see, all of them are positive right now. So I'm really grateful that I've been able to code some really good strategies into the market, and they're performing really well during this chaos. So my manual trading accounts are suffering, and they have been for some time. You can see here, Turnkey Forex, $26,000, had a loss back in May 2022. Recovered that loss June, July, and August with some good trades, then had another loss September 15th. These are really tricky markets, really volatile. I played the Fed interest rate decision, came out with a floating profit of around 17%, almost recovered this loss on the 15th, but tried for too much and only came out with 5%. I really had to cut my trades. So realize that consistent profitable trading, manual trading, is really difficult to do just on its own. But doing it with the public watching on this channel, it's showing you basically everything updated every 5 minutes, is really challenging, really difficult for me to do. And it's something that I'm constantly getting better at. I'm better at it than I was just even a year ago, but I'm still continuing to grow. I look at it like the Star Wars films, like the New Hope Star Wars film that came out in the 70s, 80s, 90s. Luke, the Force, in the second film, started understanding the Force and the power of it and how it can benefit from it. That's where I feel like I am now. The markets, I see the markets in the way where they actually do what I see, but I'm having trouble trying to harness that power at this point. So I need to get to the point where Luke is, a Jedi. We're at that point where he's controlling the Force in the way that he wants. And I feel like I'm pretty close to that point. Another maybe few months, a year, two, where I get to the point where my manual trading, I can harness that power and do it in the best way possible. So I'm admitting that my manual trading isn't quite there yet, but my algorithms is a different story. That's something that I feel like I have spent a lot of time with. My algorithms have back-tested during recession times, 2008, 2009, 2010, so they know the risk profile to use to accommodate this kind of market. This is something that I'm still trying to work with when it comes to manual trading, and that's what a lot of manual traders are struggling with right now, trying to find the best risk profile to work with in this kind of market. So my algorithms are ready for it. My manual trading is something that I'm still trying to grow and get better at. So you can see that my Forex funds accounts right here. $200,000 funded, $300,000 funded here. So that's $500K total, and I'm down. I wanted to show you guys my recovery, and that's why I've been a little bit quiet over the last few months or month, trying to make that recovery so I can show you I struggled and I came out of it as a winner. But like I said, I don't have anything to show for that right now. I'm on the brink of losing these accounts, and I need to really slow things down, tighten it up, take a break from manual trading so I can really see the markets in a better way. because, as I said, I'm growing and it's a really crucial time. If I lose these accounts, it's okay. I'll start over the challenges and get to the point where I have funded accounts again. I'm not worried about that. I'm only 37. I still got a lot of time left to utilize prop accounts in the way I want to. So, guys, this is hopefully a learning lesson for you and also for me, showing you the good things and the bad things and talking about progression, because eventually you will get to a point in your manual trades, or if you're an algorithmic trader as well, where you start to see the markets in the way that is really awesome, where you can see it almost like you have a power, like it starts moving in the directions that you want on a consistent basis. But risk and when to cut trades and stop losses is a big part of it. And that's something that shouldn't be ignored, and it's something that I'm working on, and I hope that you guys can as well. So thanks so much for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this episode. I'll catch you guys on the next one.